What's up, guys? Roy here, and once again, welcome back to Boya Universe. So, I'm kind of sorry for not uploading the facecam video since a long time because I tried my best to cover as many as gadgets and as many as smartphones I can through the commentary video. But please don't think that Roy is not uploading any kind of facecam video anymore. But I tried my best. So this video is kind of special because today we're going to talk about what smartphones are going to be launched in the month of September. And this is really interesting because September is the month of tech and a lot of new smartphones and a lot of new technologies, gadgets. So, without any delay, let's go ahead and start. What do you expect in the launch events of the September in smartphone field? Beginning at the 5th of September, we are going to see the HMD Global event at Munich, maybe. And this will be not that great because HMD Global as Nokia, they will be launching 6.2, Nokia 6.2, Nokia 7.2, and Nokia 8.2. There's no type of high expectations because Nokia always breaks our heart. But yes, to be honest, there are some hope that yes, in the Indian market, this Nokia smartphones would be performing great. Next would be directly from Vivo Z1X in the 6th of September because Vivo will be launching Z1X in the 6th of September. Vivo Z1 Pro was great. The punch hole camera and the other specifications were great. But there will be a type of hype that Vivo Z1X also is going to be great. A lot of interesting stuffs and a lot of interesting specification between the mid-range of price of 15k to 20k, and that's great. So at the end of September, Vivo V17 series also to be launched. Last time it had kind of pop-up selfie camera, and this time quad camera is going to be expected. So let's see what is going to happen with Vivo V17 Pro. That is not confirmed, but it may be launched by the end of this month. And straight away from September 10, the Apple iPhone 11 series. So great, not that great because everyone wait for the Apple event, but they run out of their mind after looking the price tags of the smartphones. But should be expected that it should be minimal this time, not minimal, but it should be optimized this time because this time Apple will be launching its three new smartphones: the Apple iPhone 11, the iPhone 11 Pro, and the iPhone 11 Pro Max. So let's see what new has Apple to give us, to give their customers, and to make their customers happy because the market share of Apple is going down. So let's see what the game plan and what the strategy to keep it up. Next thing is coming from Samsung. Samsung has confirmed that M30s will be launched this month. Great specification. We have already noted all this, and a lot of A series and M series smartphones also will be launched in the end of this month. Especially about the Galaxy Fold. Galaxy Fold will be starting shipping its equipments, and it will be officially available to all the South Korea peoples, but no confirmation about how largely it will be circulated around the globe for the global launch. Maybe we can expect it will be available to us by the end of this month. To be honest, a lot of Galaxy Fold devices will not be available because of its price tag. It will be minimal in its quantity as it is shipped around the global event. But for the global launch, it may take time, but it will be available at the end of by the end of this month. But the quantity will be less because the price tag of this phone is high. So something that is confirmed is the Realme XT. So Realme XT, it will be amazing phone, great flagship phone with 64 megapixel of quad camera setup, and this is sure that this is going to be launched by the end of September, and lot of Realme fans and lot of photography fans are awaiting for this phone, and they're really excited for this phone because it will be having a lot of good specification, good photography specification, and Realme XT is going to be a pure grade of nice and premium quality flagship phone from Realme. So next talking about OnePlus 70 and OnePlus 70 Pro. It's officially no confirmation, but hope so it will be launched by the end of September, and it will carry great specification. I am extremely happy that this will be carrying the smartphone's best flagship processor of Snapdragon 855 Plus. But let's see what happens. 855 plus Snapdragon, that is going to be great, and this is going to be expected in OnePlus 70 and 70 Pro, but there's no sure that it will be launching by the end of September, but hope so. If it will be launched, that will be great. Next is the thing which we are talking about, I'm really excited. The Asus ROG Phone 2 is great in each and every field, and this will be finally coming to India, and this will be launched at the end of September, by the end of September. So that's great. Asus ROG phone, gamers phone, really phone. It's a perfect phone and it has no compromise, and this is going to be amazing. So finally this phone will be launching at September in India, so that's great news. Next is all about Huawei Mate 30 Pro series. I don't know what to talk about because it will be launched globally in September 18 or 19. September 18 or 19, Huawei is organizing its global launch event, but don't know what this phone will be doing. Excluding the Google OS, they are using their own OS, their self-made OS, or don't know. There's a lot of controversy between the Google OS and Android and its own OS, the Arc OS or something compiler. So a lot of controversy and no expectations, great expectation from Huawei Mate 30 Pro series, because we are hope so that we might expect Android from them, but they have officially announced that there will be no Android and they will be using their self-made OS. So don't know about, not sure about Huawei Mate 30 Pro series, but it's confirmed that it will be launching globally by the by the 20th of September, but no confirmation about when it will be launched in India. Next is about Mi Mix 4 will be launched. Rumors, maybe, don't know, no guarantee, but Mi Mix 4 will be launched by the end of the September in China. No idea and no official confirmation about their launch in India. So MI has a great market in India, but it will arrive late because there are a lot of smartphones from MI which are already launched, and there are a lot of smartphones which are to be launched in the list. So no confirmation about Mi Mix 4 when it will be launched in India. So guys, that's all for today. Like, this was the complete list of smartphones which we are expecting to be launched by this end of September and this September. So hope so we will get an optimized price. Like, this may satisfy us or may not satisfy us. But guys, if you like this video, please give us a thumbs up. Any question or doubt, please ask me in the comment section, and please share this video and subscribe to my channel before you leave, and make sure you hit the bell icon. So that's all for today. Peace out, guys.